garlic. And these are kind of big, so sometimes the peel doesn't want to come off the same way. So we have our garlic, and we're going to end up dicing this stuff up. And we're going to need a small pan to do this in, so I'm going to take the garlic, throw it in here. I'm going to take about a half of an onion. Doesn't matter which half. That's a joke. And then this half, we need to do the same thing. We need to slice this stuff up in a way where it is in very, very small, fine pieces. I think that's enough onion, so this is going to go into the pot too. Habaneros. And use as much as you would like it to be hot. This is going to be a personal preference thing. So, and also the peppers a lot of times will have a certain heat to them one time, and the next time you buy some they won't have any heat at all. So you kind of have to test it before you throw it inside the sauce. So I'm going to grab a small piece like this. Wow. Holy balls. Oh wow, that's hot. Whew, the amount of heat that has is ridiculous. I've got the hiccups from that piece already. So I'm only going to put like that much in. Oh, that is so overpowering. I'm glad I tasted it, because if I would have put that whole thing in there, it would have been too much for anybody. My mouth is on fire right now. That's the hottest thing that I've had in probably years. And I just had a little piece. Oh. Put this on medium low. We're gonna put a little olive oil. Man, my mouth is still on fire from that little piece. Whew. That is no joke. We're going to be putting some black pepper in this. Brown sugar. I'm not lying, babe. I mean, it's like, if I didn't know better, I'd swear that that was a scorpion pepper, if I didn't know better. Because that is the hottest I've had in years. And we're also going to put a little bit of apple cider vinegar in this. Maybe about that much. But that is exactly why you always taste your peppers before you just start throwing them in there, because it can get overwhelming real fast. Oh man, those are nuclear. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to let this stuff kind of just sit here for a while and soften up. Let some of those flavors infuse with one another. And then we're going to end up pouring our mango juice in here. And then the mango juice that I'm using is a lot like the brand called Kern's, except this is one from a place out here called Trader Joe's, and it's almost like a mango nectar. And if you want to, you can just get a mango, cut it up, and throw it in here for your mango flavor. And at the end of this, we are going to end up using an immersion blender to blend all this stuff up. Now I'm going to pour the mango juice in here. And as soon as this kind of comes back to temperature, we're going to taste it and see if it needs anything else. You know, does it need any more heat? Does it need any more acid? Does it need any more sugar? You know the drill. That's not bad. What we need to do now is we need to take a immersion blender to this, and we can reduce this until it's the thickness that we want. When you first taste it, you taste the sweetness, and then that heat starts building up on you. And we want it to be able to coat, right? So when you put a spoon in it, you should be able to see it kind of coat the spoon, because I will tell you it's thick enough. And you see how it's not really coating that well? So we actually want to reduce this a little bit more, so that way it's sticky. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our sauce and we're going to put our chicken wings in there. So we've got them inside here, and all we got to do is just kind of flip them around a little bit to get them coated. And there you go, guys. That's the mango habanero hot wings. And we just need a taste tester, I think.
The sauce smells really good. Oh, it's still hot. Ow. Good. Is this the one you put that hot, that pepper in? I can taste it.
Mm-hmm. See, at first it's sweet, and all of a sudden it
Yeah,
starts building.
Ooh. Wow, that's really good, babe. Well, see, I can feel the heat. It's lingering.
Mm-hmm. And I only put half.
Wow. Half? Can you imagine? See, look at that. I took one bite. It was sweet, and then all of a sudden it just kicked in. Yeah, if you would have put that entire pepper, no, I don't think I only can handle one bite.
Mm-hmm.
See, it's lingering, and I can feel it around my lips now.
Yeah, I know. I know. Well, babe, that's why when I had took a bite of it, and I was like, "My God, this is the hottest pepper I've eaten in like years." Because I mean, and
That's
it wasn't
so
diluted
good.
by any of the stuff that's in there. It was just like pure pepper, and I was like, "My God." But anyway, that's that, guys. Till next time. Talk to you later.